Hello everyone, I want to show you guys a way to record team meetings or Zoom meetings using a laptop if you can install a software. Say for example you use a company laptop, you don't have the amic right, but you really want to record a meeting, and for reference in the future you have this is the way you can capture the voice and also the screenshot all together using a device like this. This device is commonly available for around 200 USD or roughly 250 Australian dollar. So in the following video I will show you what's the setup, and you will decide if it's worth to spend your $200 on this. So like I said, you need one of the capture device. This device is commonly used for live streaming, also like video game live streaming. Let's have a look at the setup now. Like you see in here, you will have a laptop. So this is your corporate laptop, you can't install anything. You will have the output of the HDMI for this one, and the output comes into this device, and then this device will follow the output into your second screen on here. So that's the HDMI, the video signal. And then to capture your voice, you will need to have a 3.5 jack in here. You will use this to this mic to capture your voice. To hear the people speaking in the meeting, you need to use this headphone, because the HDMI carry the signal, the video signal and also the audio signal all together to here, and then the voice signal will come to the headphone, and the video signal will go into your second monitor. And that's pretty much it. And you also you see there's a USB. That's basically a USB to supply a power for this device. The only other thing is, like I mentioned, you need to have one of these specific headphone. This is very common headphone. One of the one I use is from Samsung, but there are specific ones in the market. You really need to have this one to plug into this specific device to capture your voice. And for the people actually in the meeting listen to you, you not necessary because they don't actually hear you from this microphone. This microphone is only for this device to capture your voice. You can select another device. Say you got a microphone by yourself, you can use that to capture your voice. So to summarize, you have one of the $200 device and a very cheap like $10 headphone, and you will be able to capture the entire team meeting without installing any software into the laptop. And next I will just briefly look at the setup in the laptop, Just bear with me. I will just move this across so that you guys can have a look at the actual setting you will see on the laptop. Yeah, you will see this is the team setup. You will see a speaker. This is the actual device, the AVerMedia 2 Plus. That's the device you want the speaker to be. And the microphone, you can use whatever microphone in team, because that device that doesn't actually carry any signal back to the laptop to transfer into your meeting room. So very important, the speaker needs to be the device so that you can hear the sound. That's not the most important one, but the most important one is that device actually need to capture the sound from the meeting. That's why you need to specify the speaker as that device. Yeah, I just do a quick recording when you want to record. You just press this button. Okay, so it started record. That's all for your second screen. You got this device have no visibility of your laptop. It's only the signal carried out from the laptop to your second screen. It captures the video signal and also captures the audio signal output. Then it uses this little microphone from this jack to capture your voice. So it's a two-way communication and all capture into the recorder. So I just stop it. And then for you guys actually invest to use it, and then you want to have a look of my actual setup. So you will see I use this port for the voice and speaker, and then this one you will plug in to the middle. This means you use the SD card memory carried by this device. On the back you can see there's a SD card in there. All the video we record on this SD card, and in here it's just like 3 ports. One is the power, this video in, HDMI in, and then that's the HDMI out. And make sure you only use those cables come with the device. That give you a best experience. Yeah. One more thing before I finish. For this device to work, you need to have a very specific headphone. This is very common, but if you use the Apple headphone, it's not going to work. There must be something quite different between these 3. The connector in here. So just try a different one with the microphone. That's something you need to keep in mind. How this video helps you, give you an alternative rather than using your camera to record any meetings. Yeah. Thanks for watching.